Hi friends, it's Julie here. Welcome to my channel. It's a new video with fantasy makeup, fantasy hairstyle. Of course, the video is about hair tutorial. I was doing some look inspired by 20s, 30s together, and modern, of course, a little bit. So I hope you will like this experiment and I will inspire you to try something by your own. Foam rollers overnight, like always. I will add a link under the description of the video how I'm do them, how I'm setting. And after this I'm just brushing them very slow, very gently, because you need to remember that you can hurt your hair, so no rush in this. And actually starting most interesting part, I'm taking the teasing brush firstly and starting to make this amazing wave. And not every time it will be laying from the first brush. You need to brushing and brushing this, watching how it wants to lay. Every time it will be different. There are no any rules actually. You just need to firstly to trying to make it by its own to make their wave, and then with dark pickle clips to create it, to fix it before to covering everything with this hairspray. Actually, with hairspray, it will be like, without this you can't do any hairstyle retro, and it's very important. I will be showing very details that how to do right covering with the hairspray, and what to do with your hands in this to make your wave laying amazing. So as you see, I'm brushing very slow. Don't afraid to hurt your wave. It won't be hurt, everything will be okay. So brush and don't be scary. After this, I'm brushing back parts too. and starting to cover in with the hairspray. As you see, I'm helping myself with the other part of their brush and with my fingers to make the wave more perfect. So it's a very important part to cover with their hairspray and to create the wave to make it laying like it necessary. Working with other side, as you see here, already very good wave. And a little bit brushing. As you see at the back, I'm brushing firstly with their teasing brush and then with ordinary comb. Covering everything with the hairspray. And after I will remove duckbill clips, I will be cover everything again with the hairspray. You need to cover your hair with 3-4 layers of hairspray to make it holding long. So for this hairstyle and makeup, as you see, I'm using this Preals, which I bought in internet, and they already have some glue base, so I don't need to cover them with nothing. Just cut their pearl and place where I want. So the hairstyle is ready, and now we need to add some pearls to outfit to complete the look, and of course if you have a visor. Hope you like this video and we'll try this hairstyle tutorial. Bye bye.